Did you know over 1 million organizations worldwide use ISO 90001? This will help them to boost efficiency, customer trust, and profit. But here is the problem: without proper training, without proper implementation, even the best teams struggle with implementation, audits, and of course, certification. What if you could master ISO 90001 2015? Not just memorize it. Whether you are a quality manager, auditor, or business leader, this course is for you. It is a step by step blueprint to compliance and continuous improvement. In this comprehensive course, you will gain in depth knowledge of ISO 90001 2015 and how to implement an effective quality management system in your organization. We will walk you through decode ISO 19's key principle, no jargons, just practical strategies for you. Implement a risk-based thinking process approach in your organization to prevent costly errors before they happen. And of course, conduct internal audits and management review like a pro and achieve the certification with confidence. We have fixed gaps fast with a corrective action that actually work for your organization. And this will help to turn ISO 90001 into a profit by aligning processes with your customer needs. Most companies fail audit because they skip gap analysis, the first step to ISO success. In this course, you will learn how to conduct also a gap analysis to compare your current quality processes against ISO 90001 requirement. This will help you to identify missing or weak areas in your QMS, prioritize improvements before the audit, and of course, develop a clear roadmap for successful ISO 90001 certification. And the cheery part here is once you finish, you will earn a globally recognized certificate, perfect for your LinkedIn, promotions, or winning a new client. But wait, there is more also for you. To ensure you are truly prepared, we have included actual survey questions for each explained clause and subclause even in this course. This will help to test your understanding, helping you to build a confidence in applying ISO 90001 principles and, of course, passing the audit. Trust me, ISO 90001 isn't just a certificate, it is a comprehensive advantage for you and for your organization. So enroll now and get a lifetime access to our videos, templates, and expert support. Enroll today and take the first step towards quality excellence, career growth, and organizational success.